Avascular necrosis of femoral head or the AVN of femoral head. AVN is classified into 4 stages based on Fickett and Arlett classification. The pathological finding in stage 1 is infarction of weight-bearing portion of femoral head. On biopsy, we see abundant dead marrow cells, osteoblasts and osteogenic cells. In stage 2, there is spontaneous repair of the infarcted area and new bone is deposited between necrotic trabeculae. In stage 3, there is a subchondral fracture, collapse, compaction and fragmentation of that necrotic segment, and dead bone trabeculae and marrow cells are seen on both sides of fracture line. In stage 4, there are osteoarthritic changes due to degeneration of acetabular cartilage. If we perform a bone scan, a cold area can be seen in the femoral head. However, in the subsequent stages, increased uptake is seen on bone scan. There are no changes on an X-ray in stage 1. In stage 2, due to deposition and repair, there is sclerosis in the femoral head and cysts can also be seen. In stage 3, due to fracture, there is flattening of the femoral head and a crescent sign can be seen on X-ray. In stage 4, due to flattening of the femoral head, alteration of its shape leads to destruction of the acetabular cartilage, which further can also cause acetabular changes. Summary: in stage 1, there is infarction of the weight-bearing portion of femoral head, due to which a cold spot can be seen on bone scan and there are no X-ray changes. In stage 2, repair of the infarcted area takes place, due to which a cold spot disappears and increased uptake is seen on the bone scan, and sclerosis and cysts can be seen on X-ray. In stage 3, due to fragmentation, compaction of the femoral head, increased uptake seen on bone scan, there is a finding called as crescent sign on X-rays. In stage 4, osteoarthritic changes takes place in the joint and same can be seen on X-ray.